be a couple days. Day project.
And it's gonna get done right. Do it yourself.
We're gonna clear out this whole area, jack the car up. First thing we should try to do is take off the subframe and the bumper. Facts. This whole thing's coming off. Changing this to a RBC intake manifold. Everything coming off, man. I'll be back. The Jamaican way out here, you know? That's how I put my bumper on. Make sure this don't fall off when I go over the speed bumps. My dad actually did it for me.
That like tied it too.
I redid it, but
okay. I'm like, my tying laces and shit.
You wanna see this, bro? So basically, all we did was take off the throttle body, battery, this shit, intake. Honestly, we could use any rope. It's this type I was talking about. This material.
How much is this?
Now we went and got lunch and shit. Now we trying to get this subframe off. Good, bro. Bro, after like 2 or 3 hours.
2 or 3 hours?
Yeah, it was like 2 or 3 hours. Bro. 2 to 3 hours to get this shit out.
Yeah, you talking about just trying to drop it right now?
Just trying to drop that shit, bro. 2 hours.
Power steering is still good. This is being held up by the rope.
The engine mount should be good. It's being held up by the jack. But I gotta take the jack out to get the subframe out. That shit is wrapped around it, bro. Bro, what the f did I just do? Chillin'. Woo! Yo, we gonna beat the shit out of this shit, bro. I don't even wanna put this shit back on. We caught a shark.
3 hours later.
Nice juice. I'm gonna put y'all on some great juice, bro. This, bro, not just the regular cranberry juice, bro, but the cran pineapple, bro. I promise you, better change your life, bro. Some great juice.
Yeah, we starting the PRL Stage 2 turbo kit build. We got the subframe off already.
First, we got to remove all the brackets that's on top of the transmission. I'm assuming that these are the clutch lines.
Pause. The rope.
You pause.
The rope. Nah, the rope definitely.
I'm gonna drain the coolant under the car. It's right here, next to the fan. It should start falling out. Oh. Yes, sir. RBC intake manifold. I'm gonna just start on both this stuff.
Pause. Nope. You're already fucking up.
Yeah, I'm taking everything out, bro.
Oh, yes. Wait, but not all the way through. Oh, you gotta take this off. Yeah.
Exactly.
All right.
Yo.
Are you dumb?
Yo.
You're looking at the ceiling for I'm right
I'm looking
here.
at you, not the camera. I'm looking at you, yeah.
Plastic part of the intake manifold is out. It's time to take the back end of the stock manifold out, which requires taking off this corner bolt over here. Another one at the bottom end.
Hold up. If you don't start acting right, what's wrong with this shit? Oh, the bolt on this corner. One underneath it on the left corner, underneath it on the right corner, right there. Four. There's one bolt. There's one bolt over here. Yes, sir, right there.
I'll just give a shout out to
You're so ugly, bro.
I want to give a shout out to Corey for letting me be one of his main sponsors.
You're so ugly, bro.
Every time you guys watch this video, just know I touched some part of this car in some way. I've given so many good advice. You already know Maximas and Maximas only. Maximas and Maximas only. You know how we do. And then Hondas.
Hello? You!
Another Honda. The community is a beautiful community. There's a lot of snitches again in this neighborhood. They might report us, but this is bagged Maxima. This is a bagged Honda, and this is a Maxima on coils. This is a nice picture right here.
Go back to what we were saying.
Say that again, bro. The camera wasn't even on you.
Man, that's crazy.
Go ahead.
Like I was saying before, we just taking off the brackets right now. That's holding on to the transmission. So I'm pretty sure the clutch line brackets that are holding on back here, everything's loose, so we're able to lift all this up. Hopefully we can take this all out as one full mechanism and not have to take it apart. One more bolt right here, but everything right now is just hand loose.
We tied the steering rack up to the coilover because once we remove the subframe, yo.
Oh my bad, bro. I was taking a quick nap as we have a rope holding the center line for the power steering line in the middle, and it's tied up to the hood bracket.
Tied up right here. Just so the steering column isn't hanging down. I don't want to break anything.
I could bench it if I wanted to.
Right here too. Get shit done, man. Yes, sir.
Time to get our hands dirty.
be able to just
Yeah, you're good.
Attention on just those 2 percent, same thing.
We're just gonna take that out too, bro.
I mean, I'm about to take this shit off. I don't want to see this no more.
Axle number 2, passenger side is off.
I come to do garage work. This regulation, bro. Yo, chill, bro. Don't call Caleb about to go flame me, bro. Chill, yo. What came to work in the hands?
I'm gonna be airing out at the light.
I promise you, bro. Every light down, bro. I hear that one, bro.
You know the cars that have the auto off feature? If you could attach that to the air out system, that'd be perfect, bro. Bro, get the camera, bro.
How about you get the camp, yo? How about you move, bro? Oh, some move, bro.
Bro, y'all budget, bro. And vegetable, bro. Y'all more than fruits. Got the camera with your big ass.
Coming off, it's coming off.
It's not coming down though. I'm holding. You holding the cord?
Yeah.
All right. Now we have to pull it towards the frame.
Toward you.
Towards, yeah.
Alright.
Ready? Now we're dropping it. Yeah, keep going down with the jack. We take the jack out the way completely. Perfect. Y'all want me to come to the bottom?
No, you should go straight.
All right. Go straight down.
Oh, straight down.
It's out. It's out. It's out.
It's out.
Watch your arm.
Yep.
Got it.
Watch your arm. Watch your arm.
I'm good. Drop your backside first.
Drop it.
Drop your backside first.
Yeah, watch your hand. Nah, we good. We good. It's on the floor.
Wire. You good. You let go. Gamma. Disconnect the wire. I don't know what the that is, but this.
It's not. Where is it?
All right, it's good.
We're good. Good.
All right, yeah. Dropping it. You stupid.
Yes! Oh my God! Yes! Yes!
I wanted this.
I wanted this one for a long time. Got some space in that bin now.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, so we just got transmission out.
Sir, I'm happy.
We always say this gonna take like an hour or 2, and then it's always like 7 or 8.
Bro, it took 2 ones, bro. Show me the clutch, bro. Bro, I'm really not f***ing with that transmission, bro. Yes, sir.
I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
This juice, bro, is so good.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them maggots. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep me on my balance? Niggas really tryna copy patterns. We was making them plays out the dark. I don't rap, but I'm leaving my mark. Play it hard like I'm playing guitar. They were